Hello, my name is Lindsay and welcome back to my channel. My channel involves a lot of luxury unboxings, fashion, and lifestyle vlogs. So if this appeals to you, please press like and subscribe below. And let's get started. So today we do have an unboxing, but it's almost a replacement. Same, but different. So a little backstory.
About a year and a half ago, I had purchased the same item, but at the time they only had yellow gold or silver. So at the time I chose yellow gold out of those two options, but as you will learn to know, I do have a lot of rose gold pieces already, which I know that rose gold can be considered cheap or out of style right now, but it's who I am, so yeah, I do have a couple of pieces. You can't really tell because they have the stones around them, so honestly most people think they're yellow gold, and then this larger piece is yellow gold because they just didn't have the rose gold when I bought it, and I really still wanted to get it from reattached. So anyway, most of my pieces are rose gold if I could choose, but I had got the yellow gold previously, had them, loved them, and then I thought I was being really good about putting my luxury pieces in the dust bag and then always storing them properly. But one time I reached in fully expecting there to be both earrings, and there was only one. So the only thing I can think of is if I thought I was dropping it in and it just dropped down, and then the rest is history. I don't know. I looked high and low. I already moved from that apartment, and I just never could
Find it. So I've only had one of the earrings, which once you see the style of the earring, you'll see that you can totally just style it unilaterally. But you kind of need an accessory piercing, which I just don't have a free one open. Like, I think it would be really cute in a double piercing on your lobe, and I just haven't gotten it. But definitely keeping the piece even though I only have one, because I think it can be used in the future. But I was sitting around and I was like, you know what, I really miss those earrings. Maybe I should replace it, and then I'll have like a bonus, third one in case I lose another one. But I looked, and now they have a rose gold option. So I had to. I didn't even think twice about it. I was like, I gotta get this before it leaves, because I didn't know if it was like a one-time thing and then they were never gonna replace the rose gold, or maybe, I don't know if it would do well, and that would decide if they want to do it. So anyway, I didn't think twice. I bought it, and I'm super excited. Okay, I am gonna unbox it. I did have to order it online. Well, not have to. I didn't really check it and see if it was in the store here. Because it was very much an impulse buy. There was an option to get a gift bag in there, and so I did, because I don't shop that often anymore, and I just wanted to revel in the beauty, right? Unboxings are just more fun if you get to do more and have the full experience. Here is the aesthetic unboxing. Of course, I've already unboxed it, sorry, but you get the wrapping. So if you wanted to give this as a gift, you totally could, right? Let's see, you get your typical envelopes. Let's see, I haven't even opened this, but anytime I do give myself a luxury piece and it asks if you want to write a note, I always say yes, and I always put the same thing. I'm so proud of you, and I'm talking to myself.
I want to thank me for believing in me.
But yeah, it's just a little corny thing I do, because after all, I am proud of myself, So I think we should all strive to be proud of ourselves, and if we're not, work towards it. But anyway, back to the unboxing. Okay, so here's the box. Cute little bow. You open it up. You have another envelope. I think this is always my favorite part, is the tissue paper, and then this beautiful stamped sticker. You're like, hurry up. Anyway, open it up. Get your dust bag, very important. I learned my lesson. I will put everything in my dust bag as soon as I'm done with it, and make sure they're both in here. But anyway, here's the dust bag. It also has the drawstring, so you can close it up. And then it comes in this white cloth. It's nothing special, but you'll see that you need to keep this product straight. So I will show it against the white cloth first, but remember I said rose gold, so keep that in mind when you're looking at the color. Turn the logo the right way. There she is. Beautiful long threader. Opyum. Is that how you say it? Opyum. Opyum. But beauty. I'll show you up close. I don't know, the rose gold just looks so rich. When I opened it up, I was like, I don't know. It's just like, I don't know how to explain it because I don't know how to compare it to another rose gold like in front of your face, because I don't have other nice rose gold jewelry other than my Maria Tosh, which that's, you're not gonna be able to see it. But yes, just so pretty. You can see it up against the silver, but it is so pink.
Long as we got you, never gave you my number. I did it with you. Should never let you hit it. I split it with you. I regret it. You got so fetish.
This is my one piece of the yellow gold. So you can see, here's side by side against my hand. You can definitely tell which one is yellow gold. Yes. Let me try them on for you. Let's see. Okay, so you just take this long rod, you stick it through your lobe hole. It does feel a little weird at first when you're threading it through, but you can honestly make it your own, right? Because you can have the part with the logo a little shorter. Like you could technically have it all the way up here. You can have it 50-50 in the back. You can have the front short and just like the rod sticking down. Like you can really, it's very versatile, and you can base it on your vibe for the night. Like, are you going out? Are you at the office? Yes, so pretty, and it's so dainty. And yes, the YSL logo is there, but it's not obnoxious, right? But I mean, honestly, if I'm just talking to you and you've never met me, I don't think that you're gonna be like, you know, these my Louis Vuitton, my Louis Vuitton studs are way larger and more obnoxious, you know what I mean? So let me change. So I will thread this through more, so you can see, like, it's kind of funky, but you could still, you know, make people think you're like high fashion and you know something that they don't, right? Let's see, what did I do there? Okay, yeah, and then we can thread. So now I just have the post sticking back, and now it's like really low. I personally, I'll give you one more look. I personally do the 50-50 like pretty much every time, or sometimes I'll make like the front just a little shorter, that. But you have options. So just so you know, they currently have a long and short threader. So if this is a little too long for you, but you still like the look, they have a short thread. I don't have it. I was thinking about getting it in silver, but there's other things that I want to, so I'm just like, do I want that so badly? And now they have 3 different hardwares. They have the silver, the yellow gold, and the rose gold. I will say I have not seen the rose gold until currently when I just looked it up. So I don't know if this is something that they're planning on keeping, continuing. Maybe they're seeing how it's gonna do. But if you are a rose gold lover, I would suggest maybe treating yourself, and just in case. The price is not that bad at all, in my opinion, for a solid set of earrings, especially since it's a very different style. You know, it's not like you will probably get that many of this same style, right? You'll probably just get in your favorite metal and be done with this style. So it is under $400. It's $395 for the long threader. The metal didn't change the price, I don't believe, so I think they were all $395. Like I said, it's very dainty, it's very classy. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching and unboxing with me, and remember, I am proud of you. So go out and have a good day. Back to my channel. My name is Lindsay, and my channel consists of luxury unboxings,